So you're utilizing the technology, you're saving time, you're able to put newer folks in the field that still might need a little additional seasoning to really get everything dialed in. Great experience for the property owner, right? Whether it's residential or commercial, they're blown away by your use of technology. You're saving money, um, and it's a pretty small monthly investment for the money it's going to make you ultimately, and just saving time and being efficient.
Absolutely. It was, I mean, it would have cost me the amount that one use case would have cost me the same amount just to send one rep to give me all that information. So given that we've used it multiple times, it's already saving us tons of money.